So now we're going to focus on developing a compelling storyline. In considering your audience, you're likely preparing for some type of presentation. As Jill mentioned earlier, it could be to a small audience, it could be to a large audience, it could be in person, it could be virtual, it could be 5 minutes, or it could be 45 minutes. But in any type of presentation, you want to think about developing a compelling storyline. And the key word here is story. You want to think about how to craft a story for your audience. If you turn to page 9 in your workshop materials, we've developed some guiding questions to help you think through your presentation. These questions are closely linked to considering your audience, knowing who they are and what their interests are. And this will help you focus on what is relevant, interesting, and comprehensible to them. So first, as you can see these questions on page 10 in the workbook materials, first you want to think about what is the problem that the research addresses and why is the problem relevant, interesting, or important. You will need to focus your time. Often, researchers begin with their research questions, then proceed to talk about their methodology, their data collection, and analysis. Instead, we suggest that you lead with some of your findings, which is what practitioners and policymakers are interested in. Think about whether and how your findings connect to federal, state, or local policy, which will be of interest to them, and will also help make your work more relevant. As an example, researchers should be aware of state ESSA plans and how elements of those plans may intersect with their research. Second, in describing what you did and what you found, try to pique the interest of the audience. Make the findings relatable. Perhaps tell a story about a study participant, depending on the type of research you've done. Look to share an aha moment. And be sure your findings are comprehensible. This is particularly important if your findings include a lot of statistical terms. And third, be clear about how you would like the results of your research to be used, what the practical implications are, and the possible next steps. So thinking about the format of your presentation, who will be in your audience, and these guiding questions together will help you develop a compelling storyline.